Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own liquid soap from scratch using these simple ingredients.
A safety note, if you're grating bar soap, keep it away from your eyes and always work in a ventilated space. Let's move on.
Experience the mesmerizing clean of the new, concentrated Largo formula. So thick, it's satisfying.
Blended and smooth. Use a funnel to pour into pump bottles.
And here is the finished product. This natural soap is ready to use. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And natural soap is ready to use. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And